I'm gonna try to do it like this, just because more surface area. Well, it's fine. I'll get it later.
So it's me and Trevor Lawrence melting some pennies this morning.
That's nearly invisible. Now I'll just do it like this.
It's really turning pretty cool. Red hot, it's like super shiny. Oh no, it's running out of juice.
Alright, I'll dunk it.
Oh, that's wild.
Ooh.
Funky.
Shiny, dang. Oh, it did melt. Barely, because I squeezed it with the tongs. Dude. It's so shiny. Oh, it's already oxidizing.
What
Oh,
year
that's
is
a 78. It's not as shiny as it was. It's really weird looking.
This is that's very drippy.
Well, whatever. Metal globe. That's why I was going with the long
Ew.
tube.
Uh-huh.
Because I wanted it to like be a blob, not like a hit the ground and exploded. I'm gonna do a nickel. I don't know what these are made out of. Probably steel. Worst case scenario, it just gets really shiny again.
Oh, it's definitely red hot, man.
I don't know what metal this is.
I don't know. It seems like it's moving a little faster than the penny. Maybe the penny. No, not true. Maybe it's made out of copper.
No, it's melting. Yeah, it's really melting. Check it out. Then it will, okay? Yep. Huh. What is it? Is it copper? That'd be weird if quarters and nickels are made out of copper and a penny isn't. I think it is copper.
Crazy.
Let's see what a dime is made out of. Because if a dime is also copper, that's our best chance of melting it. I guess we can just compare the blob if we get it out of the dime. Well, I mean, when I looked it up for the penny, it said that the cost of the copper was like 2.6 cents. So I think that in reality, it's like all the other ones are made out of copper because it doesn't really matter, and pennies are made out of zinc because it's less expensive than the coin itself.
So the coins are, oh, it's bubble. So the coins are worth less than, or more than the metal they think they're made of. Oh, that's really weird.
Should I just let it go down?
I don't know, you want to keep the bubble, sure. Well, not another one, so we don't have another dime. It costs you 10 cents. That's crazy. What do you say?
There was a bubble on that too. Weird. Alright, well that seems to speak good things about our ability to melt it.
So in order to keep the bubble dime, we are now doing it again with second dime, unless it makes another bubble. Cue the flicker effect. There it is. Got another bubble for me?
It welded thing shit.
Except the zinc isn't melting. Like the penny did.
It would have burned. Zinc burns.
What was it, stuck on there?
Yeah. Looks like a penny now, and it's got a bubble in it.
That's crazy. It's like Canadian money now.
But I pinched it. Like, it actually did bend it. Just from these. Yeah, I guess... I don't know, we'd either have to stay there for a while or probably put it in some crucible. Well, I'm only saying that because, like, the outside air probably has an effect on it. Why is our... It's all black.
We don't have detritus in the water.
Yeah, it happens every time I've done it.
That's what I'm
It's all
saying.
black now. Look at that. And there's no...
You should contact that crazy chemist dude to take all that stuff and turn it into, like, a marshmallow.
Now red.
A marshmallow? That'd be
Turning
awesome.
Copper detritus into candy.
Well, not even copper, but rather just the coating on money into food.
That's so stupid.
Dude, it'd be awesome.
Our penny is all weird looking. I kind of